All right, I'm gonna let y'all see what I got. I'm out here in Colorado. It's cold. It's brutal. It's 19 degrees. I got sweepers. Salt Lake, Corona, California. It is gonna be cold. It's supposed to get into bad weather. So I'm fueling up, making sure that I'm good. I'm gonna run these, get them there as safe as I can. I don't care if I gotta pull over, take my time. Current situation, I'm in whiteout conditions. I'm right outside of Denver, Salt Lake City bound. I started sliding on the interstate. That's my key. I'm not trying to be one of those hot shots in the ditch. I'll do an overlay, but there's literally parts of the road where, I couldn't even see it. The off and on ramps covered in snow. But the good thing is it's snow, right? It's not really that icy mix. Bad thing, you drive on it, turns to water. Nighttime, it freezes. At this point, it's literally not worth it. Cool thing is I got my generator. I did install a heater block plug on my truck so I can plug it in, keep my truck warm. Nice and cold. I got everything going though. Check this out. Got my block heater plugged in. Got my heater going. Got the generator going. Pulling over last night, it sucked by all means, but these roads started getting slick. I slipped around 3 or 4 times. I pulled off the road, 2:30, 3 o'clock, let these people go to work. As soon as the sun started rising, shiny, got on the road. It's been smooth sailing ever since. Check this out. I'm in Wyoming right now. This has been the road all day. Smooth sailing. I'm gonna post what's going on in front of me. There is an incident on Interstate 80 by Green River. It's a tunnel that goes under the mountain. Apparently there was a bad crash in there, and I'm gonna post an overlay of it, but yeah, it's been shut down for days now. The image that Wyoming posted was the entrance to the tunnel with semis crashed into each other and then black smoke bellowing out from under the tunnel, like off in there, something caught fire. It was pouring out thick black smoke. So I don't know what's gonna happen. I run Trucker Path and I run Google, and both of them are still routing me down Interstate 80. So I don't know what's gonna happen when we get there, if we bypass or what. But I stick to interstate when I'm in these conditions. You start getting on those little 2-lane roads, they don't take care of them as well. Just treacherous. Kind of curious to see what's gonna happen when we get to this tunnel. Wyoming is treacherous. This is a good bucket road. It's solid ice. This is ridiculous. Wyoming's no joke. I just literally busted my butt so hard. Feet came out from under me and everything. Alright, I made it here. Dropping this back one off. And then I might scoot this one back. This one's going to Corona. I still got about 8 hours to go. All right, here we go. Got this one dropped. Salt Lake City. I mean, I drove through all kinds of bullcrap to get that here. Look at how beautiful the mountains are. Now I got this one. I am gonna slide it back. I think we might have something else to go with this to get it to Corona. If not, I'm still good. Like 270, all loaded miles, so. Check this out though. This is what I want to get into. I mean, that's heavy duty. You run or run expensive air ride equipment. That's the reality of it. Generator, heater. It froze up on me last night. Ended up burning up this inside dual. Brand new tire. I gotta fix that.